Let me tell you what I'm gonna do, nigga. You a motherfucking little punk without your crew. You a bitch, nigga, you won't step up to me. You a motherfucking nigga, you need homies. I'm gonna tell you real slowly, or if you want me to go fast, I will go fast. I don't really give a fuck, nigga. I bust ass and I don't give a damn, nigga. You ain't nothing but a punk, nigga. You try to step to me, I'm gonna show you who's a fucking punk. You a snail, you slobber all over little fucking trails. The cops get back to you, you little motherfucking whale. Talk shit, nigga, you ain't gonna do nothing, because I'm gonna fucking show you who's a balls, bitch. I ain't running from this motherfucking crew. It could be 10 of you and I'll still fucking kick your ass. Really, G, you can't fuck with us, nigga. I'm a crazy motherfucker and I'll show you cuz, nigga. I'm trying to rap a little fast, nigga. I'm gonna go a little slower on my motherfucking gangster flow. It's me, nigga, one deep in this hood, bitch. I'm a crazy nigga, but I ain't got no gun, nigga. I like to throw a strap, nigga. I like to strap it up. You know what I mean when I'm getting your girl through the bud. Kinda laugh at that shit a little. You can't fuck with me, nigga. You a rat like Stuart Little. Calling up the motherfucking cops, G. When you wanna fight me, boy, you just a lie, G. Tryna fuck with me, I'm gonna fucking get the knife, ho. Gonna shoot you because tonight's your night, yo. Close your eyes and fucking pray to God to save you. If you wanna go to the sky, fuck you, shoot you, bury you. You'll go to the fucking hell. Hell spit, that's what you get by my nigga. Well, alright, this your motherfucking life. I done killed you. Fuck you. Nobody will ever fucking miss you. Nobody will fucking neglect you. Everybody will be laughing once your bitch is dead, fool. Fuck you. Yeah, smoke it up and light it up. That's all I like to do. I get your girl cause I like to fuck. I do it rhyme all the fucking time. I be smoking swishy sweets. When you fucking wanna be with me, best believe I'm blowing. Fucking pour the weed and I be showing all y'all motherfuckers who's the fucking king of this fucking flow. And I fucking do you wrong. I'm not saying I'm the god, but I'm the fucking king of the motherfucking streets. Fucking nigga, fuck with me, I fucking best believe you. You better believe I will come up, try to kill you. Cause I'm just a crazy nigga, I'm at the bottom. You will never find me at the top because I got shot them. You know what I'm gonna go through, how I came to the pen. I'ma fucking make sure I'll massacre. I'm Mexican, crazy motherfucker. I'll chop your fucking head off. You don't even know you wanna have a standoff. Fuck you. You wanna fuck with me, nigga, I'll bust you. You a little pussy, you ain't even know I hustle. I do millions every motherfucking day. I don't really give a fuck, bitch, I'm here to stay. They ain't tryna fucking take me out now because I fucking rap, cause I'm straight from the south. Texas is my home, it's the #1 town. Everybody else ain't got nothing, so turn around. Don't mess with Texas, bitch, because if you don't, then plexus, nigga.